We're going to take out some trash. We are going to go to Starbucks. We are going to go to Ulta. We're going to go to Hobby Lobby. Unless we go Hobby Lobby. No, we need Starbucks first. It's important. Because I'm hungry. I need some banana bread.
I need some tea so I can, and I need something on my belly so I can take some meds. Same, girl, because Pam is sick now.
Somebody got me sick.
Wasn't me. I'm telling you right now, this is solely blamed on Evan. This is where it was.
That's where the rock came from, through our windshield.
This is all Evan's fault. I love Evan, I truly do. But I told him, I shamed him so bad he had to walk outside. You remember?
Yeah.
Sterling, you can control the.
Danny wanted cookout.
I want a cheer wine float. I can't get cheer wine where I'm at. This is my favorite.
Miss Girl. We're going into the Hoblob.
You know what I mean?
What?
It's right.
It's right.
Yeah.
So we decided to come to Starbucks because we forgot. We forgot to earlier, and that was our whole plan.
That's the whole reason we went out.
Yes.
We're upside down. There we go. That's one of the keychains I make.
Yeah, our plan was to go to Starbucks this morning.
We went everywhere but Starbucks. We went to Hobby Lobby. We went to get lunch.
We went out to get Starbucks too.
Where else did we go? Is that how we went?
That's how we went.
Oh.
I know. Feels like we
I feel like we went to at least one more place. Huh.
Gas.
Oh, we got gas because I'm going home tomorrow.
We didn't talk about Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno. It's so sad.
Okay, so I didn't have medicine balls, so we're going in here to see if they got some. Hi.
Hi.
So Journey lost her tooth. She's asleep on the floor, on the mattress where Strelly's been sleeping.
On my bed. In my
on your
bedroom.
bed. On your bed in your bedroom.
I feel so bad about that.
But she lost her tooth.
She did. It was very traumatic.
Very out of the blue.
I was sound asleep. She just came flying through screaming.
She was downstairs. And then she came up and Sterling said, because her mouth was bleeding. And
she was holding it,
and she was holding her tooth. It's teeny tiny. It's so little. No wonder why we couldn't find it. It's like, oh, I'll show him. I'm gonna show you. It's so tiny. I'm showing my vlog her tooth.
What?
I said I'm trying to show the vlog her tooth. It's so tiny. Say, I lost my tooth.
Hey guys.
Say, welcome to the vlog.
Look into the phone.
Say, I lost my tooth.
That's my teeth.
Tell them how it happened.
I don't know.
Was it wiggly?
Yes.
Did you just wiggle it right out of your...
Yeah.
Was it really wiggly or just a little bit wiggly?
A little.
And you just wiggled it right out?
Mm-hmm.
That is just crazy.
See?
Mm-hmm.
See my tongue? Joyce, do you see my tongue? My tongue's right here. See?
That is just crazy.
Look, see? I drew the perfect circle, see?
You did. This is AOM.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we fading. I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega.
So this is what I've gotten done. I just have to put the purple on there. This is 4 ribbon trims, so I just have to do the purple. And then these are 2 size 5T that I'll also have to make. So it is almost midnight. It is 11:45. Danny went to bed a couple hours ago.
Mom.
She's going to get up early. What? She's got to get up early. She's going to leave. Ooh. She's going to leave at 5 in the morning, so she's already gone to bed. So because she's got to get, rest. It's a long drive. I will tomorrow do a haul for you guys to show you all the fabrics that I did end up getting while she was here. I've got a couple bags, and then I got some AJ blanks, which I don't have to show you that because y'all know AJ blanks. But I will show you my fabrics. I am cold. I've caught the cold. It started with Evan and then passed on to Danny and Sterling. I think I caught it because I drank accidentally, you guys, of all things. I accidentally drank out of Sterling's cup yesterday. We both had black tea lemonades and they were on the table, and I just sat down and I grabbed it and I started drinking. I realized it was Sterling's drink, so I don't know if it's from that or if it's just my time, if that makes sense, like, because they've had it all week. And then Journey's nose started running to yesterday or day before yesterday? Day before yesterday on Sterling's birthday. So, yeah. So Danny's leaving tomorrow. Nathan requested enchiladas for Sunday night dinner. And then he called to see, and I'm like, I will call you in the morning and let you know if I'm going to do that or not, because at this point, I don't want to get anybody sick. I've been pumping the emergency sink. Oh my goodness. I had a medicine ball from Starbucks, which was actually really good. I think I'd like to have another. So, tomorrow my plans are to sleep in. Danny's gonna leave at 5, so I'm gonna get up and tell her goodbye and stuff. And then I do not plan on going to church just because of this, and hopefully I'll feel better in the morning. I have a lot of drainage, and Jordy lost her tooth. But I will finish those ribbon trims, and then I have some shirts to embroider out as well.
It's a sharp one.
Is it a sharp one?
Can you guys see?
Alright, say thanks for watching.
See
See you tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.